Hello everyone, welcome to tradingteacher.in. I am Anand Gyanbote. Today we are going to start our episode number 3, that is important candlestick pattern, hammer and hanging man. In here it is shown the hammer. We are using hammer as a tool for some purposes. I am not going to discuss here what is the use of this hammer real life. I am just trying to explain this hammer in terms of a market and chart. So we have already shown in the episode number 2 dozy we have discussed in the episode number 2, and this is episode number 3. We are going to discuss hammer and hanging man pattern here. So I have chosen hammer and hanging man in one episode, that is for there is a similarity between these two, but the difference I am going to discuss what is the difference between these two and where to find the hammer and where to find the hanging man. That is I am going to discuss here. So if these two images are I have attached here, this is a hammer and this is also a hammer. Hammer is a trend reversal pattern and hammer is a bullish reversal pattern, means if it founds in a downtrend and the last candlestick was found in a downtrend was the hammer, it may be a red color or it may be green color, a color doesn't matter, but some of the people are thinking about if in a downtrend if the hammer founds of green color, from this hammer the market may go in uptrend, means the current downtrend was changing and the uptrend will start here. And in case of this red color of hammer, then it is not really that much strong candle that can be the trend may reverse, the trend may be continuous. Okay, after the hammer appears, after that you should wait for the next trading day and you should observe what is happening in the next trading day. According to that you have to take the positions. And hammer and hanging man looks as the same. In the next slide I am going to show you the hanging man. The hanging man is also looks like a hammer, but if it founds in uptrend, then that is the reversal sign that market may reverse from that. If this hammer or a hanging man founds in uptrend, then market may reverse its trend or it may continues the trend. If the current trend is uptrend in and hammer is found, then the trend may goes continue, and if the current trend is uptrend and the red color of hanging man founds in that uptrend, then market will go downside from that location. Okay, so what my suggestion is that to understand the hammer means what is the meaning of this hammer, this is we have already studied about the candlestick pattern, where it opens, where it highs and where it closes, high low and open. The market opened here and closed here, but in this day the market comes to the downside and the major buyers are here and that dominated the sellers, and they have closed the market here up to the high, or this is the high and close are same. But in case of the red hammer, market opened here, it may come to the the major low and closed here. It is that much not strong. So if the hanging man founds in uptrend, that the market may reverse to downtrend. Means what? If it hanging man or hammer founds in uptrend or downtrend, you have to see where it is looking. The current trend is uptrend. If the current trend is uptrend, then appears the hammer, then the market may reverse. Okay, so we will go in the live chart. You have to visit the website for looking that chart, www.tradingteacher.in. this is our website. So if you click on this, we will get this website opened here, www.tradingteacher.in chart.html, and here we have opened the State Bank of SBI and if you click here, then it opens the new pop-up window. Inside that you can view a full screen chart. Here I have already opened the State Bank of India NSE, and the current day is today's day is I think 12 of December, 4 of December, and we are going to find the hammer and the hanging man candles here. I will show you, and we are trying to find the hammer. If you can clearly observe that here on the day 23/11, means 23 November, we found that the hammer pattern here, and the current trend was downtrend, and the market goes up to some points. After this, if we closed here 259, means around 260, and the market has changed the trend, but this hammer is not that much strong. This color of this hammer is red, so the market has started to pull back and goes to the downside. If the hammer appears the color of red color, I will show it here. You can look here, the hammer is also here appeared here on that day. Now we are going to search the hammer on uptrend or downtrend. You can also search by studying in the chart. This is a 1 day chart. This is a 1 day chart, means every candle is having a 1 day candle, and we are finding here the hammer pattern in uptrend or downtrend. If it finds in uptrend, we can call it as the hanging man, or it finds in downtrend, we should call it as a hammer. Okay. Look here, the hammer is appeared here, but that wick is some little bit high here, and we can consider it as a hammer. And so on. Here the hammer pattern is also here. The hammer pattern was found in a current trend was downtrend, and after that it opened higher and goes to the higher to 2 or 3 or days. This is the first day, second day, third day. If the hammer appears at 180.88 and the opening was 190, means 2 rupees gap is there, and the market has changed its direction to up to 198 or 200 rupees. On this day is 21 of April, and so what is our main motto here? To find the hammer and look for the trend. If it is changed, means what? Now here the current trend was uptrend, and the hammer was happened here. Hammer was formed here. After that, the market is going to fall. Means it will change the current trend. What is the meaning of hammer? Now this is hammer or hanging man. This is the hanging man, because it finds in a uptrend. So if this hammer finds on uptrend, so we should call it as a hanging man. Okay. And this is the simple meaning of this hammer and hanging man. The current trend was downtrend here. The hammer was found, and the next day the market goes to the upside. This is the trend reversal. Okay. You can also search. If you are thinking this is a hammer, but this is not a hammer, this is like a dozy. Okay, this is like a dozy that we have studied in the last episode, previous episode. If you have not seen our previous episodes on dozy, then you should also see in that episode, that video. Okay, just you should take a look, and you should try to find the hammer and hanging man in previous. According to that, you have to take the decisions and trading. Okay. If you found some if you have any questions, then you should contact me on this email I am going to share with you. Thank you. Any questions and queries should be taken into the consideration on you can email to us tradingteacher2016@gmail.com. Our website is also the www.tradingteacher.in, and we are on Facebook also. You should search tradingteacher2016 and you should send us a friend request, and after sending a friend request, you should get the notifications which I update on the Facebook. And we are also on YouTube channel. You should search Ratilal Gyanbote. This is my father's name, and you should subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, you can ask the questions on the comment section below of this current video, and you should call us on this telephone number. This is my mobile number. And I have forgot to say that on this website I am giving to intraday calls on one previous day. I will show it here. Our website name is www.tradingteacher.in. There is a menu calls. Here it is a tomorrow call. You should click on this menu and you will get 2 calls here according to the technical analysis which is done by personally me. And you should take into the consideration these calls are provided for educational purpose. If you like these calls, then you can take a trade on this basis. But if you found any loss or huge loss, then the trading teacher is not responsible for this. These calls are provided for educational purposes. And the trading rules for these golden rules are there. You should trade according after 9:35 in Indian markets, or if you are from other country, then you should take your decision on your own. Okay, and you can visit our yesterday's performance is also there. Means what happened to this call. I am going to update this page daily between 7 to 9 p.m. Sometimes it take long time because of some work. And here I have provided some calls, and here in the remark section what is happened. I am going to attach one link here for verification purpose, and that to verify, you can verify on clicking on this link what happened to this on that day. Okay, here it is yesterday performance. Here comment section is also there. This is from Facebook. You can comment here, that will appear here. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like, then you should subscribe to our YouTube channel and comment and share. Comments are welcome. Okay, thank you. Bye bye from tradingteacher.in. We are going to start our episode number 4 very soon, so you should subscribe for that notification. Thank you. Bye bye.